Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-tackling a big question in personal finance. Should you build an emergency fund or start investing? I know. You see all the hype about getting rich in the stock market, and it's tempting to jump right in. But I am here to tell you that building a solid emergency fund first is not just important, it's absolutely critical. Let's dive into 7 reasons why your emergency fund should be your #1 priority. First up, it's your ultimate financial safety net. Life is unpredictable. Your car could break down, you might face a sudden medical bill, or your pet could need an unexpected trip to the vet. Without an emergency fund, these small crises can quickly turn into major financial disasters. This fund is your buffer, your shield against the curveballs life throws at you. It lets you handle these issues without derailing your entire financial plan. Reason number 2, it protects your investments. This might sound counterintuitive, but hear me out. Imagine you've put all your spare cash into the stock market. Suddenly, you have a big, unexpected expense. What are you forced to do? You have to sell your investments. And what if the market is down when you need to sell? You could be locking in a huge loss, selling your assets at the worst possible time. An emergency fund prevents this. It allows your investments to stay invested and grow for the long term, which is exactly what they're designed for. Third, an emergency fund provides priceless peace of mind. Money is one of the biggest sources of stress for people. Knowing you have a cash cushion to handle unexpected events is incredibly liberating. It reduces anxiety and helps you sleep better at night. You're not constantly worrying about what would happen if you lost your job or faced a major repair bill. This mental and emotional stability is a benefit you just can't put a price tag on. It allows you to think more clearly and make better financial decisions overall. The 4th reason is that it breaks the cycle of debt. Without savings, how do most people cover emergencies? They reach for credit cards or take out high-interest personal loans. But this can trap you in a cycle of debt that's really hard to escape. You end up paying way more in interest than the original cost of the emergency. An emergency fund lets you pay for these things with cash, avoiding debt and all the stress and financial burden that comes with it. You're paying for the problem, not paying interest on the problem for months or years to come. Reason number 5. It gives you career flexibility and power. Let's say you're in a job you dislike or that has a toxic work environment. Having a fully funded emergency fund gives you options. It gives you the freedom to leave that job and search for something better without feeling desperate. You can take your time to find the right opportunity instead of jumping into the first offer you get. This Get Out, Dovejul-free card for your career is a powerful tool for your long-term happiness and professional growth. 6th, it helps you seize opportunities. Not all unexpected events are bad. Sometimes an amazing opportunity pops up, but it requires some upfront cash. It could be a last-minute travel deal, a professional development course that could boost your career, or even a chance to make a small, strategic investment that wasn't on your radar. Your emergency fund can give you the flexibility to say yes to these positive, life-changing moments without hesitation. And finally, reason number 7, it builds a strong financial foundation. Think of your personal finances like building a house. You wouldn't start putting up the walls and the roof before you've laid a solid foundation, right? Your emergency fund is that foundation. It's the first and most important step in building lasting wealth. Once that foundation is secure with 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up, you can then start building the rest of your big financial house with confidence, investing, saving for retirement, and achieving all your other financial goals. So, while investing is exciting and essential for long-term wealth, don't skip the most important first step. Prioritize building that emergency fund. It's the bedrock of a healthy financial life. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments if you've started your emergency fund. See you in the next one.